To remove the hard drive, you'll need to remove the hard drive access door at the rear of the PC. To do so, pull up on the rubber screw cover above the door and remove the screw. Slide the door to the left and pull the cover off the PC. The hard drive is in a cage that is held in place by a captive screw. Loosen the screw. Pull up on the drive cage handle and pull the cage to the left to disengage it from its connector. Remove the cage. The drive is held in place with 4 screws. Remove the screws and slide the drive out of the cage. To replace the drive, slide the drive into place. The connector edge should face away from the side of the drive cage with the captured drive cage screw. Replace the 4 screws. There are 4 tabs on the drive cage that fit into 4 slots on the PC. To replace the cage, angle it into the PC with the drive connectors facing inward. Fit the tabs into the slots and press the cage into place, making sure the connectors seat firmly into the hard drive cable assembly inside the PC. Tighten the drive cage retaining screw and lower the cage handle to the left into the handle tabs. The hard drive access door has tabs and slots that fit over matching slots and tabs on the PC. To replace the access door, align the slots and tabs and slide the door to the right. Replace the screw and fit the rubber cover into place.